What's the meaning of car bra? Car bra. Car bra.
Car bra. Car bra. A car bra is an accessory that covers the front part of a car's hood and grille area. It is usually made of vinyl or leather material, and it is designed to protect the car's paint job from debris and insects while driving. The car bra wraps around the front bumper and extends up to the edge of the hood. Many car owners find the car bra to be a useful accessory that helps preserve their vehicle's appearance. However, others argue that car bras can trap moisture and dirt, leading to damage to the car's paint over time.